Hey everyone, Tyler with Juice Bikes, and we're going to be rolling out our new G2 battery across all bike models over the next few months. So here are 5 things you need to know about our new G2 battery. With the new lockable power button on our new G2 batteries, you might be wondering if you need to actually turn the battery on and off in between rides. You can do that, but it's not necessary. If you have a bike that you turn on through the LCD screen, you can turn the bike on and off through there, or if you have any of our hyper models, you can do that through the keyed ignition. You can actually leave the battery on and it's not going to drain it a significant amount at all. You're probably not even going to notice. It goes into kind of a sleep mode and it's draining it very, very little. I've actually left my battery on my bike in my garage for about a month and it didn't even go down a bar. So totally fine if you want to leave the battery on in between rides. One cool new feature on our new G2 battery is the status of the battery is now on the outside. So you no longer have to turn on your bike to see if your battery is charged. And if you're storing your battery inside and you just want to check the status of it, just go ahead and press the power button. Boom, it just shows you how much juice your battery has. And when you charge your battery now, these bars will slowly turn green until you're fully charged and you're ready to ride. One quick little tip to turn off the battery, you just hold the power button for 3 seconds and then it's off. Getting your bike stolen is definitely a common concern amongst riders. That's why with our new G2 battery, we added an Apple AirTag compartment. So you're gonna purchase an AirTag from Apple, throw it in there. Now you know where your bike is at all times. If you haven't noticed already, the battery comes with a handle. This makes for transporting the battery like in and out of your house super easy. And it's super nice for installing the battery on the bike as well. The battery weighs about 10 pounds, so it's a great addition. The lockable power button helps keep the moisture out of your battery, and the fully concealed dual fuse compartment offers better protection from the elements too. The battery is IP65 rated for water resistance, so if you do get caught in the rain while riding your bike, you just want to make sure to wipe down the whole bike and the battery with a towel when you get home. And that's it. That's the 5 things you need to know about our new G2 battery. If you have any questions about the battery, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Until next time, happy riding.